Hello, and welcome to the Minnesota Department of Health tutorial for creating a profile in our source water protection grants database called Fluxx. To get here, I have typed in mdh.fluxx.io and takes you to this page. If you are new to the online portal, you'll need to create an account within Fluxx. So I'm going to click on this Create Account button. It will take you here where there are a number of fields to fill out to register. The first one, of course, being your PWS ID. I'll put in 999 for now. And if you don't know what your PWS ID is, you can navigate to this link, find a source water assessment. This website has a list of all the different public water suppliers in Minnesota, and you can either search by county, the county that your PWS is in, or you can type the name in here and hit search. I'm going to pick Benton County and hit search, and there's a whole list of different public water suppliers in Benton County you can choose from, and then you'll see that the PWS ID is there. So going back, now that we have our PWS ID, you would type in the organization name. I will just put in some test fields that we had been working on. The ones that are in bold are the ones that are required. If they are not bolded, they are not required, but you can still include them. And if you are representing an organization, more than one organization, you can list that here. And organization email, I just want to note, is different from the email you use. So if your organization has a general email, you can put that in here, and then perhaps you use a specific one with your name. You would put that down below with the primary contact information. So that's your first name, last name, your title, maybe you're a clerk, something like that, your email, and then your work phone. And please note that the format has to be that you type 3 digits and then a dash and then 3 digits and a dash and then the 5 digits. You can't just type it in and have it auto format for you, and you can't use parentheses. So if I try to do that, it won't work. It will only accept if I put the dash in. And now if you submit your request without fields required, it will show you errors and not allow you to proceed until you have filled in those fields correctly. Once you've done that and you hit submit request, we at MDH will get an email and notification saying that a new registration was completed, and we will connect you within the database, your contact information and who you are, to your organization. And then you'll receive an email within 2 business days giving you the link to sign up so that you can start your grant applications. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you'll tune in to more of these trainings to learn about how to apply for a grant and use DocuSign within the system and request amendments, etc. Thank you.